Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you can delete your Google account permanently. It is going to be very easy, and in this video I will guide you step by step how you can delete your Google account permanently. So here I will just go on to the Google Chrome app, and here the app is now opening, and here I will just click over this small icon of my account. As I click over this option, a settings page has now opened, and here I will just click over this my Gmail account. So I am going to delete this Gmail account, so just click over the manage your Google account. As I click over this option, a new page is now opening, and here this is the new page, and here I will just click over the data and privacy. As I click over the data and privacy, I will scroll down this page. As I scroll down this page, here an option is available for me, which is delete your Google account. I will just click over this delete your Google account option. As I click over this option, the Google account is now processing, and here a new page will now open, and here I will enter my password. I have entered my password in this area, so I will just click over the next option. As I click over the next option, the Google account is now processing again and here I can download all my data. So you should also download your all data from Google account before deleting your Google account. So here scroll down again, and here there are two check button which I have to okay. So click over these two check button, and then click over the delete account option. As I am not going to click over this account, but you can delete your account by clicking over this delete account option. So in this way you can delete your Google account permanently. So if you like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.